Understanding Return to Normalcy, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard quite a bit lately. Return to normalcy. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this phrase together. Return to normalcy refers to the process of going back to the state of being normal, usual, or expected after a period of disturbance or abnormality. This phrase is especially relevant in contexts where there has been some disruption, like an economic downturn, a public health emergency, or even personal life events that lead to a desire for the restoration of normal conditions. The key concept here is the transition from an exceptional or challenging situation back to a stable and familiar state. Interestingly, the phrase, return to normalcy, gained popularity from a political campaign. It was used by Warren G. Harding in his presidential campaign in 1920. Harding's use of normalcy, instead of the more standard normality, sparked some debate, but his message was clear. He promised to return the United States to its pre-World War I normality, focusing on peace and domestic prosperity. This historical context adds a layer of richness to the phrase, showing how language evolves and impacts society. You can use return to normalcy in various situations. For example, after a global event, the whole world is looking forward to a return to normalcy following the pandemic. In personal circumstances, after months of recovery from surgery, I'm finally feeling a return to normalcy in my daily life. In professional settings, our company is implementing new policies to ensure a swift return to normalcy after the recent cyber attack. Remember, this phrase is best used in contexts where there is a clear departure from what is considered normal and an ongoing process to regain that state. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning, origins, and usage of the phrase, return to normalcy. It's a powerful expression that captures the universal desire for stability and normality after times of chaos or change. Now that you're familiar with it, try incorporating return to normalcy into your English conversations and writings. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.